Do you tend to be fixing everything in your businesses and nothing gets actually fixed? Or you are mostly in a firefighting role, but nothing gets sorted out? Here's the thing, in trying to manage everything in one go, you might be spreading yourself too thin, prioritizing everything at the same time, and simply it meaning that nothing becomes a priority. You don't exactly get to know what is your priority. Now, flip this. What if instead you focused on just one core problem, fix it first, and then move ahead next? Hi there, I welcome everyone to this video, and here we exactly try to understand how to get rid of our crisis mode, especially for the new entrepreneurs. And for this, we need to understand the pyramid of needs and a specially devised spoiled playbook. Well, this sounds familiar to Maslow's need hierarchy theory, but this is used more in the context of businesses. It was given by Mike Michalowicz. So let's deep dive further and understand what are the 5 levels and how to climb them more importantly. So what are these 5 levels? First, level 1 is of sales. That actually is the oxygen because they create the cash flows for your businesses. That is, no sales, no business. Very simple. Second level is of profits that brings stability and growth to your businesses. It keeps the lights on and letting you withdraw or use the money in the most effective manner that does not affect the long-term health of your business. Level 3, yes, it's of orders, that is setting systems in place. Sometimes you don't have the proper systems. So systems in place, this will enable you to run the businesses even in your absence. So what does that imply? It implies efficiency and autonomy. Level 4, I would say, is of impact, where you actually start bringing that change. From sales, now you have moved from mere transactions to a transformation. And this transformation is very impactful. So finally, after registering the 4 ladders, that is of sales, profits, growth, stability, transformation, what is my last level? That is the level 5th, which is of legacy, where you build a business that outlives you even when you are no more in the world. So what was S? That was, you guessed it right, it was sales. P was for profits. O was for order or the systems. I was for the impact that you are going to create. And legacy as the last spoil. Now, after understanding all this, what is my golden rule which I should follow? So try to satisfy and fulfill the most essential or the core need which is at the bottom. And what is that? It is sales in the first place, and then it will be preceded by the others. What is my action tip? What actions should I take? So for me, the $100 million action tip is to understand where I'm going wrong, what is my weakest link. In the SPOIL framework, if you assess this, you will never go wrong. And every time you do it, you climb one level up, fix your problems, and won't be in a firefighting mode most of the time. So out from that crisis mode to prioritizing being free for your businesses. Thank you for watching and hope it was very insightful. Do subscribe for more such insights.